Have we got music today, Zoe?
Yes, we have in the next lesson.
Oh no, not music. I don't like music.
Ow!
What's the matter, Joey?
I've got a headache.
Poor you! Go to the school now, sweet Ruby.
He's got a headache.
Oh dear, come in.
Thank you.
Joey, you hasn't got headache. You are listening to music. Go back to class. Hello, kids. Let's learn about plants today. Fantastic. I like science.
Oh, I don't.
Ow! Ow!
What's the matter, Joey?
I've got toothache.
Oh dear, go to the nurse. Joey, you hasn't got toothache. You are eating sweets. Go back to class.
Art is my favorite subject.
It isn't my favorite subject.
Achoo! Oh, have you got a cold now, Joey?
Yes, I have.
Okay, go to the nurse. Joey, what a surprise.
I've got a cold.
Come in then. Joey, close the window. You haven't got a cold. Go back to class.
We've got PE now.
It's swimming today.
Yes!
Let's go to the pool, kids.
Wait.
Joey hasn't got pain today.
Hasn't he?
No, he's got a headache, he's got a toothache, and a cold. Come with me, Joey.
Oh no.